Yo, what up, code cadets? Today we're tackling Pascal's triangle. First, let's break it down. We need to create a function that takes the number of rows as input and returns a 2D vector representing the triangle. Peep this, we start by initializing our triangle vector. If numRows is 0, we return an empty triangle. Otherwise, the first row is always 1, so we add that. We declare a loop for the remaining rows. But hold up. Let's get this bread. Now, we gotta implement the core logic to build those rows. Think of it like this pseudocode-wise. For each row, the first and last elements are always 1. The elements in between are the sum of the two elements directly above them in the previous row. So, for each row, we start by adding 1 to the row vector. Then, we iterate from the second element up to the second to last element, calculating the sum and adding it to the row. Okay, fam, time to level up. Here, we are optimizing for readability and potentially edge cases. First, added function-level comments explaining the input and output. Then instead of pushing back ones and calculating in between, we create the whole row first, and then update inner elements using the previous row. Finally, the code includes comments to explain each step.